Hey everyone, Carlos over at bearbooktraders.com. Here's my recap for today, Friday, August 17. I had a really clean day and a nice trade on JWN for opening range breakup. As you can see here, it at the beginning on the 1 minute chart, it looked very choppy. It didn't really have a direction, but then on this 934 candle, it started showing a lot of volume and pushing above the VWAP. So what I like to look for in this opening range is for the pullback on the 935 candle. So right at around the 935, I started having this small pullback here. On the way up, I jumped in for the crack of the high of day. It didn't do it on this exact candle. So I was very close to stopping out because it came back to my entry point, but I was going to give it enough room to for my stop loss around this area here. I was going to give it enough room to see if it was going to continue to push any higher. On the next candle, it did just that. It cracked the high of the day, so I took some profits off here. During this level here, it kind of hesitated. It lost some momentum, so I took some more profits out again just to reduce my shares in case this thing would drop down. And this is actually a pretty big move. This is about a 30 cents move from my entry point, so it's a decent place to be an initial target and take profits. As it made a newer high, it took some off on the top here, and then took the majority off here. So by this point here, I already knew the majority of my shares were out at this point here. So I just left a little bit to see if it was going to keep going higher and maybe become a trend trade, which we have seen happen in the past. But it didn't do that, at least not right away. It started to consolidate again. As soon as it did this pop, I took some more off here and then just took the rest here. On the 5 minute chart, you can see that again, you had this nice 5 minute candle pushing up above the VWAP. On this nice pullback, that's my indication to jump in for a good risk to reward. Take profits as soon as it cracked the new high of the day, and then profits as it went up. Then over on MU. On MU, I actually only took about 200 shares. Andrew called this for a short, which actually turned out to be a really nice trade. It stalled for a while. It took some time to actually get going. But once it did, it actually hit the moving averages, hit the VWAP, and it also went below the VWAP. So I took advantage of this trade, but again, I really just took 200 shares. So, and this is not a big move. We're going from 46.75 to about 46.40, 46.20. So the majority of my shares were out here at this point. Again, it was just a trade I took with a minimum of shares because I had completed my day already with JWN. So hope everyone had a great Friday, great clean Friday, and a great week as well. Have a great weekend, guys, and I will see you all on Monday. Thanks for watching.